Hey guys, Happy New Year. I hope you guys had a wonderful holiday. So we're back with this Amazon bob. I was feeling a bob for the winter. So this was quick and easy to install. This is from Amazon. So here you see the construction. I did bleach and dye black this bob unit off camera, and I will put all the details of this unit in the description box. So here it's a 5x5 14-inch bob wig. So here is the closure piece, as you guys can see, and I did use Ruby Kiss spray to lace tint. So now I'm using the Hold Me Down by Erica J, and we're going to do 2 coats until it dries clear. So now that it's somewhat dried clear, that second layer, I'm just going to adhere it, and I'm going to use my comb and just comb it through and kind of push it in to make sure it's very secure. So you're going to see me do this for like a good minute to make sure that it's really secure and really melted in. And yes, do not mind that little glue right there, it will dry down. I like to glue it a little in between that second layer, like it's not fully dry, it has a little bit of coating. So you're gonna see me do this for a good minute and let it just melt in. So now I'm just gonna put my elastic band and make sure that it's really melted, and while we do that, I'm gonna start styling the unit. So now I'm gonna use my ORS heat protectant serum and put that all throughout the hair. Now I did lightly style the unit before I put it on, so it's easier for me because it's harder to flat iron the back and do all of that. So I did lightly bump it before, but now we're gonna go in and really style the unit. So you're gonna see me do a middle part here. And then we're going to go in with the Keracare wax stick just to make sure the part is defined and flat. And then I'm going to go in with my hot comb and make sure everything is super flat, super sleek. So yeah, now you're gonna see me just really perfect and make sure the unit is molded and really flat. So you're gonna see me do this for a minute and make sure it's really, really flat at the top.
See, I've been watching you for a while. You smile and stuff, but I know if I can be with you for the night.
So now I'm just gonna cut off that excess lace and go in zigzag motions. This wig was really easy to install, super quick, and I think I'm in love with 5x5s now instead of doing 13x4s or 13x6. It's just easier, it's quick, it's just simple. So after I cut the lace, I'm going to use my hold spray, my Mega Hold spray, my Fantasia Mega Hold spray, and then just kind of make sure it's melted even more. Now I'm just pressing it in and making sure that it's dry, and once it's dry, I'm going to put that elastic band right back over it so it melts even more. But look how easy and quick this is. So now I'm going in with my flat iron. I'm so excited about this flat iron. This is a new flat iron I'm going to put on my website. It's cordless and it's like a salon grade flat iron. Look at that. Look how hot it is. Ugh. I'm so excited to launch that. It's coming very soon. I also have a smaller mini version currently on the website, but I'm so excited for this one. I've been using it non-stop. And it's quick and it's easy and it's cordless. Who wants cords nowadays? It's just all over the place. But this was super easy. Do you guys see that? I can't wait until I launch it on my website. And if you guys haven't supported me, please shop at my website, Prim B Beauty. I'm gonna have everything in the link, so please support your girl. Yes. So yeah, you're just gonna see me here just flat ironing and using my spray, my Beyond the Zone hairspray. You're just gonna see me keep flat ironing, and then I'm going back again with the hot comb just to make sure everything is super sleek and straight. And now we're gonna take off the band, and look, quick and easy. I'm not doing baby hairs. I just wanted something sleek, something quick, something easy. So here I'm like looking to debate if I should cut even more, because I'm not a short hair girl. Like, I like long hair. I wanted like a long bob, not like a too short. And my head is a little bit larger, so that's the reason why I'm like, should I not? So you see me just keep looking and combing and trying to figure out if I want to, if I don't want to. And then eventually I was like, all right, let me just trim it a little bit, because the ends was looking a little fuzzy and I needed to trim it to make it look a little more clean, a little more like a real bob instead of a long lob, if that makes sense. So yeah, now you see me snipping a little bit, not too much, just to clean up the little ends a little bit. This hair was already cut perfectly. I just wanted to perfect it a little bit more and just snip a little bit of the ends and a little frizz. But yeah, this was quick and easy, guys. This is like a perfect winter, a perfect throw-on wig, a perfect everyday wig. Like, it was really simple to put on. Here you're going to see I'm concealing it, and then also using my Kiss mascara wand to kind of camouflage and perfect that part. But yeah, this was super nice. This is a great winter wig for me, so I don't want to have too much hair. I don't want to do too much. Yeah, and it was lightweight. The hair is super soft. So yeah, you guys should get this wig from Amazon. I highly recommend it. It's a great everyday wig. Yeah, so pretty much that's it. I do have other videos that you guys can watch and other tutorials. I appreciate you guys watching this video. Like and subscribe for many more videos, and also comment below if you guys have any recommendations or want me to try any other units. Thanks guys. Bye.